Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hey there, toffee lovers. In this video, I will explain how to make toffee bits. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Having everything ready before you start cooking ensures a smooth and successful process. This preparation step is crucial for achieving perfect toffee bits every time. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your butter and sugar. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly with a wooden spoon or heat-proof spatula. This continuous stirring prevents burning and ensures even melting. Keep an eye on your candy thermometer. You're aiming for the hard crack stage, which is approximately 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Reaching this precise temperature is key for that perfect, brittle toffee texture. Once your toffee reaches the correct temperature, carefully pour the hot mixture onto your prepared baking sheet. Spread it evenly using an offset spatula if needed. Now, the hardest part, patience. Allow the toffee to cool completely and harden at room temperature. This can take about 30 to 60 minutes. Once it's firm and brittle, you can easily break it into small, irregular pieces using your hands or a rolling pin. Aim for pieces about 1/4 to 1/2 inch in size. Congratulations, you've made delicious toffee bits. To keep them fresh, store the cooled bits in an airtight container. It's best to keep them in a cool, dry place to prevent them from clumping together or becoming sticky. These versatile little gems are perfect for adding to chocolate chip cookies, sprinkling over ice cream, or using as a delightful topping for cakes and brownies. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.